thunderstorm warning for southeastern Morris County in northern New Jersey, northeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, northeastern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, until 3 a.m. At 2:18 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near White House Station to near Tottenville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Somerville, Somerset, Edison, East Brunswick, Bridgewater, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Carteret, Madison, Middlesex, Bound Brook, Manville, Chatham, Methuen, Mendham, High Bridge, Clinton and Teapeck and Gladstone. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 10 and 13. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 12 and 42. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 34. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 121 and 134. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 a.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Middlesex, Morris, and Somerset.